Wow, you're so fast, Shatten. It's rainy day, November 2024. Shatten is 7 months old. And I forgot bring your ball, Shatten, to the park. In November 2024, Shatten is waiting for breakfast early in the morning. That's bacon and egg breakfast. I just made it. But it's so hot, so you have to wait. Okay. That's your bacon and egg breakfast. Okay. And that's for Princey too. Princey is waiting too, see? Here, Princey. Here is here. Here. He loves bacon and egg. Oh, Princey already finished it? Okay, Shatten, Prince, and Fred. Everybody waiting for breakfast. Breakfast is ready. Okay. Here, Shatten. Bacon and egg. Bacon and egg. And look at this one. Breakfast time. Everybody eating bacon and egg in the morning. Bob is here. That's why he's doing this. Who's here? Daddy is here? Going back and forth between two doors. November 2024. Look. He's waiting for Bob to come in. Yes, Daddy is home. Your daddy is home. Yeah? Which door he's gonna come in? Which door? No? Not this door? How about that door? Which door he's gonna come in? Huh? Daddy is home? Shatten is 7 months old. He just got neutered and fixed. Oh my God!